Welcome to my channel Alex Bind. This is the new 2026 Jeep Cherokee. The American company is preparing a new SUV to replace the recently discontinued Cherokee. The novelty will be a kind of variation of the theme of the electric crossover Wagoneer S. There are similar body proportions, wheel arches, similar door handles. The front end will be styled like a Wagoneer S, except that the grille will be slightly larger. Rear end high-mounted lights and license plate recess like the Wagoneer S. The new Cherokee will be built on the same STLA platform as the electric Wagoneer S. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.